What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing another Negroni variation. Today's is going to be white, kind of yellow actually, but we're going to call it the White Negroni. All right, let's just get stirring. First thing we are going to need 30 ml Suze, 30 ml of a Lillet Blanc, and then 30 ml gin. We're going to give that a good stir. We're going to whip out our rocks glass with a rock in it, pour it in there, and we're going to garnish it off with a lemon twist. And that's all it is, guys. Very simple, pretty much completely different from my Negroni, but at the same time, very much the same. You know what I mean? So Negroni is bitter red liqueur, sweet vermouth, and a gin. Meanwhile, the White Negroni is gin, white sweet vermouth, and then a white Maro called Suze. So it's like swapping one for one with a clear or white spirit. It's not really white, I know, it's yellow, but we call it the White Negroni. The White Negroni is kind of like the French take on the Italian Negroni, the classic Negroni, right? Where everything is typically French, where the Lillet is French, Suze is French. As far as like the drink itself, guys, like, it's really good. Like, it has that the lemon is very apparent, okay? You need that little citrus in there is beautiful. Suze is actually created from a gentian root, which is found in the mountains of France and Switzerland. There are other gentian-based liqueurs. For example, I would typically use this guy right here, this Chiaro. It's a gentian-based liqueur. This is actually a locally made one that I would use. Suze is the classic, so that's why I went with that one. What you're gonna get with that spirit is it's bitter. It's very like earthy, floral in a way. Like it's probably more earthy than floral, but you get a little bit of that in there. Lillet Blanc, super popular vermouth. Pretty much any bar will have it. Like, you'll be able to find this almost anywhere. You can swap that out too with another white sweet vermouth if you want. These are just the traditional specs to go with, right? So yeah, as far as the cocktail goes, the White Negroni was not created very long ago at all. I mean, I guess at this point it was, but realistically in history, it's not very long ago. Created by Wayne Collins in 2001 in Bordeaux, France, at the Vin Expo. Okay, I think, like, from what I recall, the idea was to take a Negroni and kind of just flip it. So they went with all French spirits, okay? And they nailed it. Like, it's a delicious drink, and to be honest, like, it became really popular. Audrey Saunders at the Pegu Club, she's the one who started the Pegu Club, I believe, put it on her the cocktail menu there, and then from then it just kind of blew up. She really helped the White Negroni gain traction and popularity across the globe. So if you haven't had it, definitely give it a try. I know it's kind of a pain trying to buy like these different ingredients, right? It's not often that you need to use Suze, so not a lot of people would ever buy it, but if you have it, give it a try. If you don't, maybe order one at a cocktail bar near you. Give it a try before you buy one, because like, it's bitter and it's earthy and it's slightly floral, so it might not be for everybody, but it might really be for you. Traditional specs were all equal parts. I think nowadays we do change it. We up the gin and we lower the Suze. So I believe nowadays they go with like 45 ml gin, 15 Suze, and 30 of sweet white vermouth. Okay, up to you. I went with traditional specs. I enjoy it, but do what you please, right? Everyone's changing the Negroni variations all the time. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. If you like what I do on this channel, please let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have new videos coming out every single week. If you have cocktails you think I should do on the channel, let me know. I'll try and fit them in. But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.